Well, hello. Just going for a little walk. Figure I'd share a few little things with you. And you want to know how to fix bad breath? Well, it really kind of depends upon how long you've had it. Is it an overnight thing? Simply wake up in the morning, brush your teeth for 2 minutes, floss, and maybe do a little bit of fluoride rinse. And your breath should be smelling pretty good. But now let's say what you're probably looking at the video for is how do I actually fix my bad breath? That's a beautiful day. Your bad breath, when it's been there an hour after you brush your teeth, and it's been like that for a number of months, maybe a number of years. Well, brushing, flossing is not going to do the trick. More than likely, you probably have a lot of buildup on your teeth, a lot of tartar. And by the way, that plaque and tartar is bacteria. And as bacteria gets all the food, sugars from drinks, it creates these toxins. And these toxins is what give you that bad breath. So you can brush away a top layer of it maybe, feel a little minty from the toothpaste, but it will come back pretty quickly. And so, no matter what you do at home, it's not going to do anything. So you got to get professional care. And what you got to do is come see a dentist. I know your favorite person in the whole world, favorite place you want to be, but you do got to see him because you got to see whether or not it's only the plaque of tartar built on your teeth, or it actually now is below your gums where it's destroying your jawbone, making it melt away like butter. And so you're going to need a special type of cleaning. There's 8 different types of cleanings. By the way, I had a video about that. Not everybody will get a healthy mouth, preventive type of cleaning. You're probably going to need a more involved type of therapy where you got to get all of that bacteria from underneath the gums and stop that destruction to get rid of all that bad breath. And how can you clean anything in a pocket that's about a ½ inch deep with a toothbrush? You can't. But there you go. That's how you fix bad breath. Get some professional care. Learn how to take care of your hygiene at home properly with the right instruments, if you will, and you'll be on your way to having fresh breath for a long time. So ultimately, that's what you want, right? You want a nice, healthy, fresh breath. So come see me, Modern Family Dental Care. Go see your dentist if you live in Iowa, no matter where it may be. Do it.